Welcome to the first national Wittopia Monster Truck Derby. Our contestants are Shooter, Gigantic Feet, and I'm a Snake. Up first is Shooter. He drives up to the ramp. Oh, can he make it? Oh no, he falls off. Oh, he misses the next ramp too. Oh, he looks like he's stuck. Will he make it? Will he make it? He drives up to the next stop and misses. He heads over to the rough terrain sand, barely gets in it, drives over to the destination, and victory dance, I think. You can stop now. Next, we have Gigantic Feet. He speeds up to the ramp, and he just barely makes it. He was able to drive up the next ramp, but not get on top of the box. Is attempting to go up the next ramp and kill Lightning McQueen. Will he make it? I guess not. There we go, he misses. He drives right through the rough terrain sand flawlessly, and he's going to the finish line. I'm a Snake, cannot compete due to fuel. Round 2 for Shooter. Oh, he's driving, and he just barely misses the ramp. Oh, he's doing a victory lap, I guess. Oh, where's he going? He's doing a U-turn, and he misses the ramp again. I think he should just give up. Crashes into the tank, turns around, and attempts to go up the next ramp, and misses perfectly. Nope. He's getting ready to shoot stuff. Watch out, he might shoot you. Yep. Start driving already. There we go, and he gets stuck. Just moves right past it because who cares? He gets stuck in the sand unexpectedly. Totally. Will he get out? Oh, I guess he does. He finally makes it to the finish line, and guess what time it is? Yep, victory dance time. It's time again for Gigantic Feet. Let's see how he does. Turn on his engine, and he is backing up, getting ready to run over to the ramp. And he gets flipped. How unexpected. A little help from the cameraman. He turns around, heads up for that next ramp, and misses. back him up for the next round, and I bet he misses again. Oh no, actually, he just gets stuck. Totally unexpected. He's back on the move. He goes to the sand. Oh, we're having some trouble here. Ignore that, okay? If you didn't guess already, Gigantic Feet has ran out of battery, and he is disqualified, and Shooter wins.